Hello and welcome to our cooking video.
Today we're gonna make a simple chocolate cake.
For a chocolate cake we need butter, sugar, flour, black chocolate, almonds and eggs.
First we need 125 grams of butter that you stir until it forms little peaks.
Next we separate the egg yolk from the egg white from the 6 eggs.
We separated the eggs. We need to add the egg yolk, 150 grams of sugar and a little bit of salt into the bowl filled with butter.
Now we need to stir the bowl with the butter, the egg yolk and the sugar. And stop to stir until it gets bright.
Now we whisk the egg white to snow. It is ready when you can turn it head over and it don't fall down.
After you mixed the egg white to snow, you put it in the bowl with the other ingredients. Now we crush 250 grams of almonds.
And 25 grams of dark chocolate in the microwave to 2 to 3 minutes. When the 2 minutes are over, put it out and stir it a little bit. When the chocolate is melted, put it in the bowl with the other ingredients.
And now we add the almonds. Now we add 50 grams of flour. And 1 coffee spoon of baking powder. And now we need to mix everything. Now I put the cake mixture in a prepared form.
Now we bake it for 45 to 55 minutes by 180 degrees. At least we take out the cake after 45 minutes out of the bake oven and put it on the coaster to let it cool down.
This was our cooking video.
We hope you enjoyed it.